Hi, Neneng! Your ate here in America. Tara na, sabay tayo today. Today is, what's today? Sunday. We're going to San Mateo. We are doing an event. It's a financial services event. It's, helping a lot of families set up their retirement and set up their, wealth protection. So we're going there today. It's actually near San Francisco. Malapit lang sa San Francisco yun. So mga 2 hours and 30 minutes drive, which is okay naman. Hindi naman ganun kainit ngayon. And hopefully, 'di ba? Successful sana yung yung event. We're so excited, and then we're so excited to meet new people, marinig yung stories nila, diba? Katulad natin, they have their own stories. So, yun, samahan mo kami mamaya, ha? So, good luck sa atin. And then, regarding naman dun sa, alam mo na, yung journey, pampapaya, transformation now, since my birthday, I think, parang, I'm getting a little better, improved mood, improved energy, yung bloatedness, bumaba. Pero syempre, yung blood sugar ko, kasi nagpa-check ako nung birthday ko, di ba, 2 days ago, my hemoglobin A1C was 6.1. So hopefully, ito makakatulong sa akin kasi ayoko magamot, di ba? Kasi ayoko ng side effects ng gamot. So, tuloy-tuloy lang natin to, and then I'll update you kung... Pero nag-lose ako ng 2 pounds in 1 week. Alam ko mabagal yun, but if I feel better, why not, diba? So yun, update kita. Tara na, okay? Sabayan mo ako today. Bukas ulit, ha?